float switches stop air conditioning water damage by shutting the system off when condensate rises above safe levels. A float switch is a small mechanical or electronic sensor mounted in the condensate pan or drain line that detects water level changes and interrupts power to the air conditioning unit before overflow occurs. For optimal protection, position the switch at the pan high point where overflow will begin and wire it in series with the unit control so the compressor and blower cannot run when the switch opens. Check the float action every 3 months by gently lifting the float to confirm it trips the system and then resets when released, and replace any switch that sticks or shows corrosion. Keep the drain line clear by flushing with warm water and a cup of white vinegar monthly to dissolve biofilm, and if the drain has a condensate pump, test pump operation and float travel under simulated load. Use a little hand vacuum or a wet-dry vacuum at the drain stub to remove clogs near the trap, rather than forcing chemicals down the line, which can damage plastics. For systems in humid climates, consider a float switch with a delayed time to avoid nuisance trips from brief high humidity dripping, while still providing shutoff for sustained high levels. Document switch checks and any replacements in a maintenance log with dates and observed operation so technicians can spot trends before failures happen. Common problems include a stuck float from sludge or algae that prevents the switch from tripping, solved by removing the switch, cleaning the float chamber with a soft brush, and reinstalling or replacing the device if binding persists. Another issue is an improperly mounted switch too low in the pan so it does not stop the system in time, which you fix by remounting higher at the pan lip where overflow would begin and testing operation after repositioning. Lastly, wiring faults or bypass switches are a frequent cause because a previous technician or homeowner bypassed the switch to stop nuisance shutdowns. Correct this by restoring proper wiring, addressing the root cause of the nuisance trips, and never allowing the system to run without a functioning safety device. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and facilitating direct contact. We also host a discussion community where our members share maintenance tips, ask questions about devices like float switches, and exchange contractor experiences.